5 ways to deal with microplastics that are fatal to the human body. Have you heard of microplastics? Inseparable plastic from our lives, this plastic is threatening our health and destroying the ecosystem in the invisible part. Let's look at 5 examples of what we can do in this reality. 1. Toxicity. Microplastics can absorb harmful chemicals from their surrounding environment, which can then be released into the body upon ingestion. This can potentially cause a range of health issues, including liver damage and neurological disorders. To minimize exposure to these harmful chemicals, opt for organic foods and use environmentally friendly products in your daily life. 2. Respiratory issues. Inhaling airborne microplastics can cause respiratory problems, including irritation and inflammation of the airways. To reduce the risk of inhaling microplastics, use air purifiers in your home to improve indoor air quality, and ensure proper ventilation to minimize the presence of airborne contaminants. 3. Endocrine disruption. Microplastics have the potential to interfere with hormone regulation within the body, leading to hormonal imbalances and related health issues. To reduce the risk of endocrine disruption, choose personal care products that do not contain microbeads, and opt for natural cleaning products whenever possible. 4. Inflammation. The presence of microplastics in the body can trigger an immune response, leading to inflammation and potential damage to tissues and organs. To combat inflammation, maintain a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and regular exercise, and avoid processed foods that can weaken the immune system. 5. Bioaccumulation. As microplastics make their way up the food chain, they can accumulate in higher concentrations, indirectly affecting human health through the consumption of contaminated food sources. To reduce exposure to microplastics through bioaccumulation, support sustainable fisheries and consume seafood from lower-trophic level species. Microplastics can enter the human body through accidental consumption in food and drink, potentially leading to gastrointestinal issues and discomfort. To minimize the risk of ingesting microplastics, consider using water filters to remove contaminants from tap water and reduce the consumption of seafood, especially shellfish, which are known to contain high levels of microplastics. Microplastics contribute to widespread environmental pollution, which can indirectly affect human health through contamination of air, water, and soil. To reduce the environmental burden of microplastics, make an effort to reduce plastic consumption, recycle plastic products whenever possible, and participate in community cleanup efforts to remove plastic waste from the environment. The long-term effects of microplastics on human health are not yet fully understood, as research in this area is still ongoing. To protect yourself and future generations, stay informed about new research findings, and advocate for policies and regulations that address plastic pollution and its potential impacts on human health. Thanks for watching.